A risk assessment is the central element in occupational health and safety. It is the basis for systematic and successful safety and health management and ensures that dangers in everyday work are recognized and eliminated so that all employees can work safely. The multitude of dangers forces many companies to maintain their risk assessments in endless Word and Excel documents or even huge amounts of file folders. This turns into a real bureaucracy monster. With SAM, you declare war on the bureaucratic monster. Measures are quickly developed and distributed to the right employees. Operating instructions can also be created in no time with SAM and thus placed in the right locations. With SAM, the employees of your company can view the hazards of their workplace at any time and even be included in the preparation of the risk assessment. With SAM EHS Manager, you always have the possibility to process a risk assessment on the spot. SAM, the professional risk assessment software from Secova.